Melissa, what did the pirate say when he came to Bacalar?
Bacalar.
It's time to leave Playa del Carmen and head on to our next adventure in Mexico. We're going to a place called Bacalar. It's a beautiful 7-color lagoon. I've seen some pictures on Instagram and YouTube and can't wait to explore the little fishing town of Bacalar.
Our goal through this vlog is to actually show you a few spots and a few things that are less traveled to and less visited by Americans abroad in Mexico. So we're hoping that you enjoy it and have maybe a couple of different ideas of new things you can do when you come down to this area.
Bienvenido a Bacalar, right? Is that right?
Bienvenidos, but it's good. It's good enough.
Well, we've just arrived, and this is our little hotel. It's good,
Cute.
huh?
Yeah.
It's time to see our room. Very nice. Oh, I see. Well, we made it.
We made it. Beds are very comfortable. It's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it.
Good. It's our little balcony.
I think this is coffee, but we're gonna see. Oh yeah. This hotel got so much better. Time for food. We found this place right next door to our hotel. Hopefully it's good. We just got some nachos to share, and then we're gonna go walk around and hopefully figure out how we can get a kayak ride or some sort of boat ride on the lagoon tomorrow. Just look at this.
Biggest nachos I've ever seen.
It's so good. I'm so happy right now.
Turns out today's Tuesday and Wednesday's supposed to be a closed day for the lagoon, so time to rush to find a tour.
So we have to pay $4.50 per person?
Correct.
Yeah.
Well,
so
yeah, that's the private tour for $3,000.
Okay.
We have found a great local tour agency that's going to take us out onto the lagoon. It is closed tomorrow, as I read online. This is our last chance in the last 2 hours to take a little sunset cruise, so let's do it. I think we literally saved this whole day by 10 minutes. If we didn't come here in 10 minutes, we would have lost this whole Bacalar tour.
Okay. I think we're going now. Okay.
So the total was 800 pesos for 2 people. Not bad.
Yeah. No, pretty nice.
Look at the colors though, huh?
I know.
We've just taken off and we're heading down into the middle of the lagoon. It's very beautiful.
The blue, is stunning. You had this lovely aquamarine blue on one side and this deeper, it's like a green blue color. It's just really, really, really beautiful.
Okay, we're coming up on the swimming part. I see a lot of people in the water. I'm gonna jump. Okay. Oh, I forgot.
Your hat. It's actually not that cold. It feels really, really nice. Not bathwater nice, but nice.
Coming up on a little waterway that used to be used by pirates. back in the day.
That's the reason for the fort in the city, which is pretty cool, bit of history.
Yeah. Melissa, what did the pirate say when he came to Bacalar?
Bacalar.
Not a bad way to end the day.
No, beautiful sunset, clear blue.
Yeah, so
water.
many fish we saw in the water.
It's really a cool place. Check it out if you're in Quintana Roo.
For the destruction of this hotel room.
It's actually in better shape than what it was a few seconds ago. He just shoved everything in our bags.
Time to go.
Time to go.
Bye, hotel room. Melissa's getting us 2 tickets to the fort.
We're going inside Fuerte San Felipe, and it was 110 pesos per person. Second, we're going to go ahead and check out the museum, which is going to give us a little bit more information about the history of it. What we know so far is that this fort was built between the 16th and the 18th century as a point of defense against pirate attacks, which were actually pretty common in the Caribbean at the time. But right beneath me, there is this whole land of bottles. There's a skeleton over here, but we're basically walking on top of part of the fort where people lived. So we just walked out of the museum, and there was this little boy over here who looked really scared. We came by to see what he was scared of, and this guy.
What is
I don't know
it?
what he is. He's like an iguana or a lizard or something. He's so cool. Yeah, that's the I'm scared call. Well, we found another one. I guess they're just all over the place here because we saw one over there that ran away from us, and I'm pretty sure I see a bigger one further down the fort. Walking around here, you can really imagine what it would be like if this fort was under attack by pirates. They have all these cannons set up at different corners of the fort, and then they have all these broken down. I assume these were cannons back in the day. It's pretty cool. Your imagination can run pretty wild here. So, because they can hit your face, well, they can hit your body really, you're required to wear a mask.
Stairmaster Pro, now available.
Lunch.
Made it down.
Made it.